Hi there and welcome. Today we'll be doing a listing, and specifically we'll be doing a needs and wants listing. First thing we do, add listing. We find needs and wants. Take a plan, choose one. And immediately we see there are 3 sections to complete. The first would be, of course, our title, which is a red star, meaning it is compulsory. Over here, it is not compulsory because it doesn't have a red star. But our first red star is our title. Okay, so there we are. The title of my listing: looking for volunteers to test out new ice cream flavors at my ice cream store. This is the need. Okay, the request: of course, I'm gonna need your services. Quick pitch version of the request. So basically, this is just an expanded version of the title. Alright, so of course, you might have a more in-depth explanation when it comes to this section, but for me right now, I'm having it as 2 sentences. As a business, we need testers for the new ice cream flavors before launching them. And then expectations are basically what I expect from you as someone who is answering my needs and wants. What you can expect before even coming to me or before accepting the request. Okay, so what do I want as a business from you? Okay, so my expectations from you are: spend the whole day with us, please have your own transport, and then of course you need to live close to the waterfront area, close to number 25 up and down street. Okay, then we're talking about the budget. This is the remuneration, or this is the money that you will get from me as a business because you answered my request. In there I can say 2,000 rand for the day, and then the deadline would be the deadline to answer. Okay, I need you to answer by the 16th because we'll be doing the ice cream tests on the 25th, for example. Then I'll add my phone number, my email, my website, and then of course the location of my business where all of this is taking place. I have to choose one of the 9 provinces. Okay, in this case I'll choose Western Cape. The address doesn't have to be specific. As we can see here, the address can be Johannesburg, Sandton, Marlborough Gardens. Okay, the city, residential area, suburb. Okay, you can have a street name, you can have the house number or the building number. For now, I'm just gonna add something straight off the list. There we go. As soon as I added the address in here, it populated itself on the map. So what happens if you don't want to add your address, if you don't want to make it specific? The map will still find you, the map will still populate your space, but it will populate a general space, for example in the Western Cape or in the Eastern Cape, wherever you are. If you don't want to put yourself on the map, hide from map, but I highly suggest leaving that space open so that your space can be found on the map next to all of the other businesses that will also be on this map. Now, a very important section, the media. As you can see, I've got my business logo, Frosty Walls, so people can associate my listing with my business. I've also got my building. Alright, this is what my ice cream shop looks like outside. Then I've also got all of these flavors here that I'm trying to promote, but I need your help first. Okay, This video can be any type of video as long as it's in connection to my business. Fantastic. Preview listing. Awesome. Now my listing is ready. Of course, this is all the media that I've put up here. See all 5 photos. There's my logo. There's my shop. My ice cream. Here we go. This is the title. This is what people will be able to see. If I am interested, I'll save it for a later stage. If I want to show my friends, I can share it on different platforms. If I am someone visiting the website and I find inappropriate things, I'll report it. Fantastic. But for me as a business owner, what is important for me to have my location, the price I'm willing to pay people, and then of course we're gonna have over here the date in which people have to answer by. Alright? These are all the details that people who are interested need to know. Here are my expectations. This is where my ice cream shop is located. And there we go. This is my video.